Hey everyone, and welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to connect Google Drive to your Slack workspace on the free plan. First, in your Slack sidebar, click on Apps and search for Google Drive. Select the official Google Drive app and click Add to Slack. You'll need to sign in with your Google account to authorize the connection. Once connected, you can share files directly from Google Drive into any Slack channel. Just type Drive in the message box, then search for and select the file you want to share. You can also set up notifications. Go to your Google Drive app settings in Slack and choose which folders you want to get updates out. When someone comments on a shared document or requests access, you'll get a notification right in Slack to quickly find recent files. Just type Drive in any message box, and you'll see your most recently accessed Google Drive files. And that's it. You've just connected Google Drive to Slack, making file sharing and collaboration seamless for your team. If this integration helps your workflow, let me know in the comments. See you in the next one.